Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all well. So, dear students, today I am going to start you with a new poem. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. From the image itself, you are able to see or you are able to understand the theme of the poem, what you are going to study. So, what you are able to see with the image? Siblings, brothers and sister fighting, having arguments. This thing happens at your home also. You argument with your siblings now? See, just because of the toy, they are fighting, they are having arguments. For remote, they are fighting. So, the arguments are there among the brothers and sisters for many reasons, and usually they quarrel. They have arguments, they quarrel, and soon they becomes friendly again. So let's start with the poem. Chapter 6, poem The Quarrel. I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. So in the beginning 4 poems, the poet is saying that she quarreled with her brother. Though our poetess is female, her name is Eleanor Ferzion. She is a renowned poet for writing the children's psychology books, the children poems and all that. So she is explaining that I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. So the exact reason why they quarreled is not clear. They don't know why they quarreled. Eventually, we fight for remote. We have argument for toys and all that. Just converts into a big quarrel. So they quarreled with one another, but the reason was not clear. One thing led to another, and somehow the quarrel about a small thing became little bit high. So in the beginning 4 poems, you can just see brother, another, rhyming same, about, out, having the same rhyming. So you should understand the rhyming schemes of the poem also. So A, B, A, B. This is the rhyming. Brother, then about, then another, then out. A, B, A, B. First poem line rhyming is A, B, A, B. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Here also. Slight, right, strong, wrong. CD, CD. AB, AB, CD, CD. So rhyming scheme goes like this. The start of it was light. So it started just because of a slight reason, but the end of it was strong. When it burst, when it began, it became very strong. So the poet says that she knew that she was right. When we are having arguments with any of the person, we feel that we are right and the other person is always wrong. It is our own perception. We never think that we can be wrong. So what happened after the struggle, after the quarrel? We hated one another. It happens in the siblings also. When you have fight, when you have argument, we hate one another. See, the arguments are going on. How the fight is going on among the siblings. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. So what happened? They start hating one another. So up to what time the quarrel among the siblings continues? Just for half an hour, 1 hour, not more than that. For the afternoon, they hated one another. And it was not good afternoon because they were not talking to each other. They were just having anger in themselves. So up to what time we can be angry? We are human beings. We like to laugh, we like to dance, we like to talk. So they were not talking to each other. It can't be possible that siblings are not talking to each other. So then suddenly her brother said, he thumped on her back and said, "Oh, come along. Come with me. We can't go all night. We can't fight for the night. We can't be angry with each other for the all night." He accepted. He said, "Okay, I was wrong and you were right." He said, "Oh, come along. I can't go. We can't go all night. I was the wrong, so he was the right." So he said, "Okay, I was the wrong." But now, when he accepted that he was wrong, then the poet says, feels that no, he might be right. So it happens. When we are having fight with our siblings, it happens. It doesn't continue. It's not like the fight with the which is among the elders. See how the struggle is going on, and after that they are having a good time. They are playing with each other. Previously they were having struggle. After that they were playing with each other. So these all emotions are expressed in the poem. In the poem you can see they were having the struggle among each other. They were fighting, and after that they came together again.